Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph Ajan, and today I'm going to be talking about the 4 Mile Run Restoration Project. The project I'll be talking about is the restoration of 4 Mile Run, which is a stream in Northern Virginia. 4 Mile Run experienced flooding events throughout the 1960s and the 1970s. The 4 Mile Run Restoration Project was a project that aimed to reduce flooding events in the stream. And here is a photo of the 4 Mile Run trail. So the question I'm about to ask is, how altering the landscape of a stream can restore it? The stream's water quality potential was explored by Arlington County, the city of Alexandria, and the Northern Virginia Regional Commission in 2000. The master plan for the project was completed in 2006, and the design guidelines were completed in 2009. The project was completed in 2019. So the reason why I'm interested in the project was because it was a project that happened in my area, and I wanted to learn about the restoration process for the 4 Mile Run stream. I was also interested in how the project was a collaborative effort between two counties, which in this case were Arlington County and the city of Alexandria. I'll be talking about the restoration process of the project and the environmental effects of the project. The restoration process involved naturalizing the banks, replacing riprap stones with native plants, and creating living shorelines. 9 shoreline features were added, and the stones were replaced with 5 acres of native plant meadow. One such native plant is the goldenrod flower. Public art projects were used to enhance the stream. The Watermarks Art Project, for example, brought attention to stormwater drains that contribute to the stream flow. Now for the environmental impact of the project. The restoration allowed the stream to meet Corps of Engineer requirements in maintaining flood protection. The project also improved access to the waterway and habitats for Arlington County citizens and improved the tidal wetland conditions of a nearby park in Alexandria. The living shorelines added a half acre of new wetland area. The shorelines also reduced erosion, improved water quality, and provided habitats for local fish and birds. In conclusion, 4 Mile Run was restored by introducing plants native to the stream and creating shorelines. The restoration process led to an improvement of maintaining flood protection. The process improved the environment around 4 Mile Run through reduced erosion and providing habitat for the local wildlife. And if you want to learn more about the 4 Mile Run Restoration Project, you can use these sources which I've used for this presentation. Thank you.
Very good, Joseph. What was the most interesting thing you learned about restoration?
I say the most interesting thing about restoration is sort of like different ways to like restore a stream, such as like using native plants to restore it by replacing the riprap stones. And like one such flower I've mentioned in the presentation was the goldenrod flower. I also was interested in like how like the altering, like introducing native plant life can like have environmental impacts.
Very good. Thank you.
I have a question. Nice
Mhm.
job, Joseph. So you mentioned that you were interested in the collaborative process in a project like this. So in your research, did you get a good sense of how many different people or different types of agencies were involved in a project to restore the stream?
Like the thing is like there's all like Alexandria County also had like their side of like working on the 4-mile run stream as well. And I like also got a sense of like the people working on the project through like the people listed on the project website. And like which and it gave me like an idea of like how how each member of the project contributed.
So following on that question, I think if I read it properly, maybe it was like a 13-year time between the original idea in 2006 to 2019. Did that surprise you at all?
Like I can certainly say like it's like it takes some planning to like do a restoration project, but it's a like but it was a like a bit like it was a bit surprising about like the length it took to like
Right.
or
Maybe part of it was finding the funding too.
yeah.
Thank you. It surprised me.
A question for Joseph. You mentioned the project came about from flood events in the past. Do you know when the creek, the area of the creek was overdeveloped by man? I mean, was this like a post-World War II phenomenon, or had this been going on longer? I'm just curious from that.
Like I know is like the flooding events was like occurring during like the urbanization of the stream.
Right. Thank you.